the solution. You understand? They bring the procedure that if you are coming to Nigeria, you will be the one to facilitate to do your test and all those things. If you did not do it, they will not board you and all those things. So a lot of people, they book it, they do it and all those things. Getting to Nigeria, they will pay. They cannot be able to do the test. You understand? Somebody that was was complaining how they suffer him. He pay money here. They will say he's not here, he should go there. You pay another, they say you must pay another one before you can do test. If not, you cannot enter flight. What kind of things is that? A lot of country, they are trying to support everybody because of this COVID-19, what it has caused to a lot of people. But our government, they are busy there frustrating a lot of people in our country. What kind of country is that? That you instead of you to be happy to go back to your country, you are not happy to go back to your country. When you are in another country, you feel safe than when you are in your country. So because of this thing now, a lot of people will be afraid to go home. And they'll be afraid to go home. Nigeria government, I don't understand what you people are doing. You like frustrating your citizen. Why frustrating your citizen? It's not good. Why frustrating them? It's very, very bad. It's very, very bad. What kind of life is that one? They will come to their home where they're supposed to have peace. Is where they will not feel comfortable. They will pay this. People will say this. They will bring this one. You will say that one. They will hold passport where they are coming from. They did not stress them. But when they will get to their own country, that is where their frustration will start. What kind of country is that? Buhari, is this the change that you promise everybody? And some people are saying you are working, but you are not. You are the one that put this law that anybody that come to they must have this COVID-19. Are you guys? A lot of countries, everything has start normalizing. Everybody has start going to school. Everything is okay. They are no more carrying anybody. How can a country say you be the one to quarantine? What of all the millions they say they donate for to help people in coronavirus? Where is the money? And on top of this, people are still borrowing money on top. Where is the money? Where is the money that a lot of people donate? Abi, it's audio money. It's audio money. I said it before. How can a rich man be donating and giving to the federal government when people are suffering? How can you frustrate people that left their country because their country was not peaceful for them? Their country is not good for them. They left their country and go to another country. Another country, they feel comfortable. But when they come to their home, they will frustrate them. They will empty them. They want to squeeze all the money from their pocket. Do you guys in Nigeria, the immigration people, do you people know what our people do in abroad to get money? A lot of people, they beg. A lot of people, they beg before they can get money. A lot of people stay in the front of supermarket to beg to get money. When they finally get the money, let them go home and enjoy with their family. You guys will want to frustrate them. It shall never be well with you people. It will not be well with you people for frustrating our people. Do you know a lot of people that died during the COVID-19 when they went to Nigeria? This thing hold them there. A lot of people died because they could not take their medication. A lot of people they are surviving by medication. They went to their home again. They could not come back. They die because of lack of taking care of their citizens. People will be okay in another country, but they will be slave in their own country. How long can we continue like this? Somebody will still pay money for something, the thing will not be done. They will pay money how can somebody pay money to do tests? After paying, they will not still do it. They will extort that person money. Oh, what kind of country is that? And now people will be afraid to go to their country for the next 2 years because nobody wants to experience this kind of experience. I know everything that you people will do, it will be worse because Nigerian people, you people like to copy. The people you people are copying, they have started activities for a long time. They never said it's their citizens that will bring money before they will test them if they have COVID-19. They even pay the money. Why not test them and let them to go? But people want to extort them. There is a guy that was crying in this man's show. ordinary president. He was crying there that he paid almost 3 times. At the end, the test, they did not do it. They are just extorting money. When you pay, that one you have paid is wasted after somebody having receipt and everything. What kind of country is that? You guys should change, Joe. You guys should change. You understand? How can we come back home and develop the home? Why you people are pursuing us as if we are the fault, we are the cause of you guys remaining back there? We are not the cause. Why are people putting the frustration on us when we are coming back? You guys don't know the snow, the sun that we suffer here in abroad. What is it? You people should take it easy, immigration people. You people should take it easy. Even though they give you people target, not on us, people will take the target too. Not on us. You people will allow the foreigner to enter peacefully. But when the citizen of the country come, you people will suffer them, will stress them. You people should change, oh. You people should change before God punish all of you now. Frustrating people that suffer. Do you know why they suffer to get money to buy tickets? After suffering finish, you made them to regret. People will be crying in the airport, making them to regret why they come to their own country. As for me, I will use Italy to do my country, my motherland. You understand? Because there's nothing good to talk about. There's nothing good to go back. Is it a country that when you go back, you'll be afraid of kidnappers? No light, nothing. At the end, when you get to airport, the immigration will now frustrate you the more. They want to collect every dime you bring. When they don't know how you get the money. Is money plugged in the tree? Nowhere there's no free thing anywhere. Nowhere they are plugging money. Please, Nigeria government, you people should help your citizen that is outside. No, when the white people, the foreigner will respect them. When they get to their country, people will treat them like animal. You guys are the one making other people to treat Nigeria anyhow because of the way they see the way you people treat us also. It's very bad. Thank you very much, my viewers. I appreciate you guys. They have to change. Thank you. Please try and turn the notification button on. Whenever I upload, you always get the notification. Thank you very much. Please share this video so that we get to them. We'll keep on talking. Whether they're listening or they're not listening, we'll keep on talking. What can we do? If there's anywhere you can talk, you talk. Whether you talk, they will die. You understand? No matter, we should not say it's none of our business. No matter how we feel, we shy away from it. Our people are there. They are suffering about it. You cannot go to your country in peace. Thank you very much, my people. Bye-bye until